In the event that it becomes necessary to replace the blower on a DryMAX, first thing we need to do is go ahead and remove the upper housing from the DryMAX, and in addition to that, at least detach the control board. That'll give you access to the harness plug for the blower. But the first thing we do is go ahead and remove the lay flat frame, and then using a T20 Torx bit we'll remove the front grille. And then next, using a 5/16 nut driver, we'll reach down and remove the 4 screws that hold this bracket to the housing. Now I do recommend using a magnetic tip, that way it'll be easy to get the screws out. Alright, once that's done, the blower assembly will slide right out. So the next thing we have to do is remove this metal box, or not remove it, but detach the metal box from the housing, and what that will do is give us access to the actual blower plug. And to do so using a T20 Torx bit, we're going to remove 2 screws on each side, and that'll allow this box to slide backwards. Now the next thing we have to do is remove or detach the plug for the blower harness from the plug that is inside this box, and do that by squeezing the 2 tabs on each side to release the locks. It may be necessary to use a flathead screwdriver just to give it a little bit of help coming off. There we go. Okay, the next thing, in order to get the blower completely out or off of the bracket, we need to remove this one zip tie. Now that's a special zip tie that has a clip on it that will go through this metal bracket. If you do purchase a blower, this will be included with the blower as a kit. So what we're going to do is just take a pair of side cutters and remove the wires from the zip tie. Now that houses the wire for, or the cable from the temperature and humidity sensor, as well as the cable for the blower. And next thing to do is use a number 2 Phillips. We'll remove the 4 screws that hold the blower to the bracket. Now these screws are metric, and they also have a split lock washer, which is very important. Without that lock washer, these screws will vibrate loose. So make sure if when you do replace the blower and you put these screws back in, it does have the lock washer on it. Alright, once all 4 screws are taken out, simply pull the bracket off of the blower. Pull the lead for the cable and slide it through the hole of the bracket.